All right, the Zippo delivery truck came by today, and let's see what he brought. This one came in the usual black box, and it's labeled Second Amendment Bill. So this is going to be a good one. Okay, and you can see right there it says the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. It's a good reminder of what some people in Washington are trying to take away from us. Got a good sound, lights up nice. It's on a brass body, and it was made in, let's see, that's K of 13, made in Bradford, PA in the USA, and it's on a black matte body. Let's look at that once more. It says the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. And that is going to go into my freedom section of my Zippos. We'll take a look at them too. There's the Gadsden flag, don't tread on me. There's another statement of the right of the people. There's the Zippo gun permit, which is actually the Second Amendment. And there's the one I just got. And let's take a look at another copy of the Constitution, just to read it once more. Okay, this is a copy of the Bill of Rights, and you can see right there the Second Amendment. Article 2, it says, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. That's the Bill of Rights. The Constitution does not grant these rights, it only enumerates them. So let's hear some cowbell for the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Knuckle bump.